Can you still remember the types of nouns? If yes, good for you. If not, still good for you. Welcome to this channel, and in this video, I am Lee and we are going to talk about nouns. If you are a beginner in learning the English language, and if you want to expand, you want to review your grammar rules, your wordings, your vocabulary, then you are in the right place with the right people around you. Let's begin with what is the very basic meaning of noun. Simple. It's the name of place, people, things, and even ideas. But can you still recall the types? Well, the types of nouns are common nouns, proper nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, compound nouns, and collective nouns. We are going to tackle all these types one by one with examples. Let's begin with common nouns. What are the common nouns? Common nouns are the general, as the name implies, common names of people, places, things, and even ideas. For example, teacher, museum, library, things, chair, clothes, house, building. For ideas, love, freedom. It's general. And how about the proper nouns? Well, we've mentioned the common nouns, and we now go to the proper nouns, which are the specific. When we say a teacher, who is that teacher? Teacher Lee, Teacher John, Teacher May. And when we talk about building, what building is it? Big Ben? Is it the Burj Khalifa? The Eiffel Tower? If we talk about places such as cities, what city is it? Is it Manila City? Is it New York City? If we go to the specifics, these are the proper nouns. And when you write them, you have to write them in a capital letter. Now let's proceed to the concrete nouns. What are concrete nouns? From the name itself, concrete, that means you can touch it, you can feel it. For example, if I show you this mirror, I can touch it, then this is a concrete noun. Okay? I can show you this bottle of water, this is a concrete noun because I can touch it. What about the abstract nouns? When we say abstract, you can't see it, but we know it is existing. For example, can you see exactly what love is? No, but we can feel it. Knowledge, happiness, freedom, democracy. These are abstract. You cannot see it with your eyes, but we can feel it exactly from our hearts, or we know in our brains that yes, those are the signs of this certain thing. What about countable nouns? You can count that thing. I can count my eyes, 1, 2. So these are countable nouns. How many chairs? 10 chairs. How many houses? 20 houses. You can count them. 1, 2, 3. But if we say uncountable nouns, that means you cannot count them. For example, rice. Can you count rice? 1, 2. No, right? Can you count air? I've got 20 air in my brain, like that. No, we can't count air. So as water, we can't say 1 water, 2 water, 3 water. No. So therefore, it's uncountable nouns. Get it? Now let's proceed with the compound nouns. From the name itself, compound, it means combination. 2 words become 1. For example, toothpaste. Boom, it becomes toothpaste, and it's another different thing. Another one, bed, room. You combined it, it's another different place. Bedroom. Sunlight, sunlight. Or when we go to hyphen, there's a hyphen, mother-in-law. Self-esteem. And there are compound nouns that are written in two separate words: coffee table, swimming pool, bus stop. And the last, there are a lot of creators who have been making a lot of content about this type of noun, which is collective noun, right? For example, when we say fish, a school of fish. People, it could be a team of football players. Blood related, we can say family. These kind of people are watching something, watching one thing, we can say audience or spectator, so collective. It could be a group of people, animals, or things. Another example, we've got flock of birds, a pack of wolves, a pride of lions. And that's that about the review of nouns. I hope that you learned something from this video. If you've got any reactions, comments, then don't hesitate to comment down below. Once again, I am Lee saying learning is a lifelong process. Take care and see you next time. Bye.